how can you denoise voice on the iPhone? Let me show you the options that we have available. And if it's your first time here on this channel, subscribe so you that way do not miss anything important. So of course, it depends on which part of the process we're in, because if you are just beginning to record it and you want to prevent any noise to be captured, it's ideal to use a microphone. You can connect anything through the USB port of the iPhone or even Lightning, depends on your setup, but you can connect like a professional microphone and it should most definitely deliver a better audio, right? So you can prevent some of the noise from even being captured. That would be the first thing. The second approach is that you probably already have, or you might have, the voice recording like saved and finished in the recordings app. In there, you can tap on the edit and tap on like more options, and you can tap on enhance recording, and it can do some different things, like it can make the audio pop a bit more, and as well, if there's a lot of noise, it can as well reduce it a little bit, so that could work too. But I believe that it's still probably the best way to do it is by getting an app from the App Store. There are apps like Noise Reducer, which you can get for free. There are some paid features, but you can at least give it a try. You can import, the audio files from camera, videos, or files, wherever you happen to have it saved. But the point is that it's going to reduce the noise in real time, so it can perform some changes to it. And this kind of app will see and will let you like compare what it would sound like with or without the filter in place. And this could work. Obviously, there are even more apps which can get the job done. I'm not affiliated with any of these services, so yeah, give it a try. But generally speaking, there is an app which does serve this purpose. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.